Okay, so I am ready to do something now. Man, these guys are kind of already checking me out. I've got my new deep all set up with wax foundation, and I want to put it back on this hive. I got another deep coming. I thought I had ordered two. I only ordered one, so I'm a little messed up with it. So let me see if I can. This is the one thing about this. I thought I made these wide enough that these guys cannot stack side by side. I'm going to have to add a block to the side over here or something so I can separate them a little bit better. Let's take a peek in here though real quick. Let me see. Wow, these guys are drawing this stuff out on top. They're looking pretty good down there. A lot of good bee activity going on right there. They're all right. Probably can't see me from over there, but let me take a look. Where's my frame? You can see my hands. But yeah, this is looking really good right here. They got some nice drawn comb. Things aren't too stuck together yet. Let's just pull one of these out. Take a look and see. Yep. So you can see how they're drawing out that comb on that nice wax. Looks really nice down there. Okay, I know. I breathed on them. So that's looking really good. Put this on for the moment. I'm sure they could use a little fresh air. So let's pop this up. Lots of bees. I guess I could use a tool. Guess I could use a little smoky doke. And here they come. There they are. Let's see what they're doing up here. And again, oh, they're already filling this up, guys. I can see the sweet nectary nectar in there. They are filling this up already. So I see that I have that queen excluder. All right, well, I have no idea when the camera shut down. It's hot. It's hot out here. I don't know how much explanation you got on that stuff, but we're going to have to mince this together here. I'll just recap real quick that down there still has a lot of plastic foundation and it's all wonk. I'm going to have to deal with that later. I just put this fresh brood box with all wax foundation here, and they're already filling up that one right there with nectar. I mean, they're filling it. So yeah, they're doing fine. Yes, I know you guys are irritated. I am too. Ah, tree. Ah, more tree. Okay, let's go over here and take a peek. Oh, I gotta adjust this down. Let's do this. Everybody's gonna get seasick. All right, so this one was the split. I split off the brood box from over there. The 5-frame double nook. I've got 8-frame double stack with a super coming. So I'm going to rehome these guys into an 8-frame. And they'll be able to fit side by side. I don't know. I might end up making a whole new stand for a single one of these 10 frames to be able to fit them all. So let's see if my smoker's still smoking. I had to go put the phone in a... Yeah, it's still got something in it. I had to go put my phone in the freezer. Get a little more fuel here. Try not to light everything on fire. At least I got ready fuel right here. Alright, I want to see what's going on in here. So I don't know who got the queen. I don't know if the old box got the queen, or if the new split got the queen. Let's take a look and see what we got going on. Well, they have this super, I know that was filled up from before, tool. Let's see if this is still on, because it's in the sun. Yeah, we're still going. Bright white comb here, some cross comb. Get that out of there. Let's see what they're doing with this. Let's see. It's heavy. It's heavy. All right, it's all filled up. They're starting to cap. So it's not quite soup yet. But this is full. Hello. It is full, full, full. Yep, it is definitely full. Have to wait for him to cap it. Yep, oh yeah. It's way heavy. I am going to set the lid over here. And oh, big old drone. Couple of drones on top. Oh God, this is heavy. Even as a medium, it is heavy. Okay. Let's see what we got going. Yeah. Poor thing. Well, it shut down again. It shut down. Oh, I think I'm in frame. It shut down on me again. It's 105 out. I'll splice all these together. I did do a quick check on the double stacked 5-frame. They're full. Everything's full. So next weekend I'm going to have to build that 8-frame and put it together, get them into a new environment so they have room to expand. I don't know, in the middle of a split, that I left that full super on top of the one that may not have a queen. If it's too much for them trying to build a queen and also cap all that, I don't know. There was a lot of brood. There was a lot of cap brood when I split that. And there was a lot of fresh egg when I split that. So I have no idea if the queen was in there or the other one. They look a little light. I'm just going to let it go and see. Hi, Domino. I got a Domino dog on me. So I'll splice this together. It's probably going to be a horrible video. I don't know where it cut off. So I'm just going to have to review the footage and see what happened. We'll see what happens next weekend. All right.